Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you my latest crochet project, the Tatreez Cardigan. The name Tatreez Cardigan pays homage to the traditional Palestinian embroidery and cross stitch, which inspires the cultural theme and design of the cardigan. I've taken the classic granny square hexagon cardigan design and upgraded it with a unique Octagon Shirt True Pattern, crocheted using double crochet cluster stitches rather than the traditional granny stitches. This gives the piece more texture and dimension, adding a modern, elevated vibe that's all about effortless style. As you can see, I've chosen a striking black and white color scheme, which gives the cardigan a timeless and versatile look. It also closely resembles the Palestinian keffaya, adding a layer of cultural significance that makes the design even more meaningful. And let's not forget the monochromatic palette, reminiscent of Taylor Swift's iconic cardigan style. These soft, neutral tones make it perfect for dressing up or down, no matter the occasion. Now here's where things get really exciting. I'm thinking of adding a pop of color to the front borders with green and red strips, creating a bold, eye-catching, Gucci-inspired look. This contrast adds a touch of luxury to the overall design, and I'm loving how it's coming together. But what do you think? Should I go for the bold look or keep it subtle and classic? Let me know in the comments. I'm also at a crucial stage of the project, deciding how to join the upper part of the sleeves. Should I go with a visible seam that adds texture and visual interest, or choose a seamless finish that's smooth, clean, and sleek? I'd really love your thoughts on this. And that's not all. Here's something special. We can use the center back panel as a stage to tell a story, incorporating mini crochet design patches that reflect personal meaning or cultural themes. To tie in with the Palestinian theme, I'm planning to add some special touches like crocheted watermelon, olives, and vines in vibrant red and green, giving the piece a beautiful pop of color and deeper cultural meaning. So what do you think? Should I stick with the classic monochrome or go all in with the Gucci inspired border? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and do not forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorials, behind the scene peeks, and cultural inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more creative magic.